The floor before I learned my name. Learned how silence always came with pain. Tiny hands, bruised faith, broken skin. A ruined childhood buried deep within. Every door slammed, felt like the world would end. Every promise broke before it could mend. I slept with fear like a knife in my chest. A little heart that never got to rest. In the shadow of goodbye, always waiting for love to die. Always scared that I'd be left behind, with the haunted house inside my mind. So I get lost in the sound, where the screaming can't drag me down, where the pieces of me still breathe under all this memory. From the frame, left me with questions, guilt and blame. His voice became a ghost in the hall, a missing piece I could not call. And I grew up with that empty chair, like love was something never there. A child staring through the glass, watching all the years just pass. Shadow of goodbye, always waiting for love to die. Always scared that I'd be left behind, with the storm cloud wired into my mind. So I get lost in the sound, where the screaming can't drag me down, where the pieces of me still breathe under all this memory. Circling around, if I drown, let it be in these waves, not in the hands that never saved me. Then I met blood with unfamiliar eyes, long lost faces, old broken ties. Same bone, same ache, same wounded stare, trying to find what happened there. We spoke in fragments, tears and names, truth and family shame, like finding mirrors inside the dark, all carrying the same cracked heart. I was never a child, just a target to blame, just a soul learning her before love had a name. But the noise in my chest turned to something loud, and I built my escape in the weight of the sound. If abandonment lives in the back of my throat, then I'll sing till it cracks, till it chokes on the notes. If the past wants my blood, then it pays what it stole. I may be scarred to the bone, but it won't have my soul. I get lost in the sound, where the ghost can't pin me down, where the child in me still cries, but survives. I get lost in the sound, while the truth comes pouring out, and I swear through every wave I'll become the one who stays. So turn it up, let it shake these walls. I was broken young,